pre-season game for Banchory St Ternan. This time they played the D-Side Derby against Banchory FC. The visitors who play in the Premiership scored very early and started demonstrating very early that they are in a higher category. The first goal was for Callum Dunbar, who ended up scoring a hat-trick. There you can see in the repetition the defensive error, which leads to Callum Dunbar just having to push the ball in. And that is the action of the second goal. This is Josh Drop to the side for Gavin Elphinstone. Gavin Elphinstone who crosses the ball for Scott Kerr, and the pass to the back for Callum Dunbar, just for having to push the ball in once again with barely any opposition as he comes from behind and surprises Banchory's defenders. This is another chance for Cooter. This is the first chance, the first serious chance of the game for Banchory. And the third goal came in the 23rd minute. It was Callum Dunbar receiving a pass filtered by Josh Drop, and in front of the goalkeeper he only has to push it to the net. Once again, barely any opposition. And the fourth goal came 2 minutes later by Josh Drop. The pass from the side of the box, and Josh Drop that dribbles past the goalkeeper and scores the fourth one. Another chance for Banchory, well rejected by Cooter's defenders. And this is the action of the fifth goal. This time Scott Kerr, who receives a fantastic pass and, not without struggling, dribbles past the goalkeeper and scores the last goal of the first half. Here we can see the repetition taken from another angle, taken from the linesman's perspective. And this was another very clear chance before the end of the first half. It was Callum Dunbar who shot the ball to the crossbar. And at the end of the first half, Banchory St Ternan 0, Cooter 5. The second half started and both teams made their changes. In the case of Banchory, almost the totality of the players from the first half were changed. The game was more even in the second half, but still Cooter demonstrated why they are the Premiership champions. In the 64th minute, Olisa Anyakunam scored with this fantastic shot from outside the box to make the 6th one for Cooter. Despite trying it, Aidan Linton could not avoid this ball coming in. More chances for Cooter. This time, Aidan Linton, fantastic save. We could see a couple of them like this during the second half. A better defending, must be said, than some more chances generated in the attacking. Another great save by Aidan Linton. And here we are going to see another one. The shot from Shea Buchanan that did not meet the target. And in the 86th minute, Jordan Cromer dribbled past the defenders, was dribbled past Josh Robertson and shot into the opposite direction of the goalkeeper to make the 7th one. Another great save by Aidan Linton. And this is the last action of the game. Well defended by Banchory. and there was no time for anything else. At the end, Banchory 0, Cooter 7. If you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe, which helps me a lot to continue growing. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day, and as per usual, see you next time with more football.